how to lock sensitive apps with a password on your phone. So all you have to do is go to your settings and then go visit the privacy. Tap on the privacy protection tab and you'll see their privacy protection functions. Just select app lock. You will be asked to turn on the app lock at a specific app. For example, you want to put a lock on your Facebook Lite. Once you're done, you can just click the back button and then go back to your home screen and open your Facebook Lite. I don't know why it can't be seen on screen record, but you'll be asked to verify your password, and once you're done, you can now access your Facebook Lite or any app that you want.